I just noticed this. They're just trying to do a glitch that flings you all the way over. I saw Red.
Oh.
That dude. He got
Yo, guys,
launched.
if people want to come join the cult,
Like
please
all
can
the
you join the
way
cult? Come on.
there.
It didn't work. It didn't
All
work.
the way there. I mean, it does.
Same kind of glove.
Watch. This is what you gotta do. It's this easy.
I'm gonna troll another lobby with this.
I actually made
And then you do this.
Ow.
And you get. Oh, it might have to be in that spot. Oh man, it didn't do nothing. Have to do it right. I'll teach you your way. I'll teach you my ways.
I can teach you my injatsu move. I can teach them how to do my
So this is
injatsu.
easy. See, it actually takes videos. Okay, so that was crazy. I actually
Really not that good. but
can't believe I did that.
half
I'm
this
doing
lobby isn't good 'cause
third
all they do
person
is
now.
abuse glitches.
Make it epic.
Like I can never find an actual good hoverboard fight. Let's go.
Okay, so grab it and just stick it in there. And then boom. Oh wait, I did it wrong. See? That was crazy! Dude, that was so crazy, bro. Oh! Yo, you need help getting out? Bro, hey, you wanna know a glitch that my friends taught me? It's this simple. You just gotta follow me. The exact same speed as me. And do. See that? And then. Bum, bum, bum. I mean, it's probably like. Oh! Okay. I know how to go on the walls.
You're not Mace.
I know how to steer on the walls.
Bro, that doesn't.
I know how to touch you. You know, it does work. It does. You just gotta have special powers like that. And then you gotta do this. Oh, wait. Okay.
Why it doesn't work?
No clue. It's not working for me, so it probably doesn't work for you. How do you do the glitch? On you.
Yo.
Bruh, how do you do the glitch? It's not working anymore. Maybe they're fixing it right now. Please don't fix it. It's really fun. It's not working for me, bro. I'll try the other glitch way.
I'm gonna be hitting glitch on Fortnite.
Wow. This is... I might have to speed some of these parts up. But dude,
Oh, you sharing a clip?
like and subscribe right now. Right now.
No.
Just do it right.
No.
Shut up.
Just joking, man.
Just do it. Just click the button like this.